YouTube, just making a quick video. I've been getting some messages as of late on Instagram and on Facebook about this car, and some that are saying that I didn't install none of the stuff that's on the car. I guess they wasn't watching my videos. I have over 375 videos on this channel, and about 195 of them are with this car with parts and installation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through this car real quick and point out everything that I installed myself and the stuff that I had a shop put in. Now, most of the stuff I did install on my own in the driveway with simple hand tools. As you can see here, the car is lowered, 1.5 inches front and back. I used King Springs from Australia. I installed those myself with new struts. I also installed alignment kits for the front and alignment kits in the back, so I can get everything like the toe and camber in check. I also installed the headlights, the tail lights, all the bulbs or LEDs. I installed all those. I installed the Mach 1 front lip, as you can see here. I painted the grille. Under the hood, we'll take a look at that real quick. Okay, the only thing I didn't install was the camshaft. I took that to a shop because they'll have to lift the motor up, take the hood off, lift the motor up to change the cam in it. But outside of that, I installed everything. Racing ignition, plugs, wires. I put in a new alternator, water pump, air conditioning compressor. I put in a new reservoir starter. I also installed the oil pan and oil pump under the bottom. I replaced the transmission pan with one with a drain plug, fluid, filter. I installed driving lights that are behind the grill and fog lights that are behind that. I replaced the bumper in the front and the back. I got videos on those too. And I installed new XM radio, amp, speakers. Another thing I didn't install was the exhaust. Of course, that's because they had to fabricate everything, because this car didn't come with any aftermarket stuff, so I had to make some stuff. But Muffler Shop did great work with there. But that's it. Most of the stuff that I installed on this, I did myself. Like I said, outside of the exhaust and the cam installation, I did everything myself. There's videos to back it up. If you look at the videos, I got a playlist with the Taurus stuff. Check them out. And more videos to come. Like the subscribe button. And ring that bell so you can get all the videos when they come in. And I'll see you. Now that's an idle. More videos to come. Till then.